Hi, welcome back. It's me, Trishulliano. And now we are on the lesson 14 on our complete Autocad training course for 2D and 3D. And for this session, we will tackle all about the layer command. Okay, so we will use these commands in the table, and we're going to type it all in the AutoCAD. So let's go to CAD. And in the command line, we're going to type layer. Okay, the layer properties window appear. Here, we're going to add new layers by clicking this icon. Okay, so for this is the icon for new layer. So for layer 1, we need to change the name, the color, the line type, and the layer based on the requirement given in our PowerPoint. So first, in our table, okay, so in our table we have here the layer name, the color, the line type, and the line weight. Okay. For layer 1, this is the property line or prop LN. So we're going to change the name into prop LN. Okay. And then we have color. We're going to choose the color which is 9. Then press OK. And we have line type Phantom 2. Okay, so choose the line type here, but we need to load, and then we're going to look for the Phantom 2. Phantom 2. Okay, so this is the Phantom 2. This one. Okay, then select, and then after selecting, we're going to select it again. So press OK. And then for our line weight, we have 0.25. So 0.25, we choose 0.25 and then OK. For our next layer, we have guidelines or LN. So we're going to add another one. So guide LN. Enter. And then for the color, we have number 8. Just type number 8 in the color and then OK. And then for our line type, we have continuous. So we choose the continuous, or this is the solid line. And then for our line weight, we have 0.09. So we choose the 0.09. Okay. Then we'll proceed to the next layer, which is the hatch. So make a new layer and then type hatch. And then for our color, we have 7 or white. So just type 7 and then OK. For the line type, we have continuous, so as is. And then we have 0.13 for line weight. So we will choose 0.13 and then OK. And then we will make another layer, which is the DW, which stands for doors and windows. So new layer, DW, for doors and windows. And then we have magenta. I can see the number, but we can type the magenta directly. Okay, so our line type is still continuous, so this remains the same. And then our line weight is 0.18. No, I believe it is 0.18. Okay, so we choose 0.18, then press OK. For our next layer, we have border. So border. Okay, for our color, we have number 5 or the blue color. So type blue. Okay, so it appears. No? For our line type, we have continuous again. So it's here. And then line weight is 0.7. So we choose the 0.7. Scroll down. And then for our next layer, we have walls. And we choose the color. What's the color? Cyan, or the number 4. Let's typing number 4. Okay, so cyan appeared. Okay. So for our line type, we have continuous again. Okay, so the same. And for our line weight, we have here 0.40. So we choose 0.40. Okay, so our next is text. So make a new layer and then type text, enter. For our color, we have green. So we can type green. And then for our line type, we have again continuous. So as is. For our line weight, we have 0.30. 0.30. So we choose the 0.30. For our next layer, we have templates. So we make another layer and then type templates. The color is yellow. So we will choose the yellow. Okay, so the line type is continuous again, and our line weight is 0.18. So continuous line type, and then we will choose 0.18 for our line weight. So next layer is the dimensions. So make another layer, type dimensions, then enter. Our color is red. So we choose red or number 1, or just simply clicking the color in here. And then line type is continuous and line weight is 0.15. So we have here continuous, and then we will select the 0.15 line type. Okay, so for next layer, we have roof. So new layer, then type the layer name, enter. And then we have, again, we have color red. So we have red. And our line type is continuous again, and our line weight is 0.13. Okay, so let's go back. So it is continuous, and then we will change it into 0.13. Okay, so for our next layer, we have roof line or roof LN. So we make another layer and then type roof LN. Then enter. So our layer is still red. Okay, so that's red. And for our line type, we have dash 2. So we will select dash 2. We don't have here dash 2. So we need to load. And then we will look for the dash 2. Okay, so this is the dash 2. No? Then select. And then we will select the dash 2 in here. And our line type, line weight is 0.20. So we will choose 0.20. For our last layer, it is the firewall. So make a new layer and then type firewall. Then enter. Our color is 33. Okay, so what color is that? 33. Let's type 33. And then we have continuous line and 0.40 for our line weight. So we will change it into continuous line and then line weight. Oh, I forgot. 0.40. So 0.40, we will choose 0.40. Okay, so after typing or editing this layer, we need to save this file. So to save this layer properties, click this Autocad icon and then click Save As. And We will make, uh, let's call it first, floor plan 2D. Floor plan 2D. And then, we will save it in a folder. So let's say in our desktop. And then, we're going to make a new folder. And then, name our folder as, let's say, Autocad drawings. Press enter, and then we select this folder, and then this is the first file that we're going to save. Okay, so just click save. Okay, so we can close these property lines, or I mean property lines, I mean layer properties. Okay, so let's see if we have really made the layers by typing layer. Okay, so these are the layers that we have created earlier. So as we go on with our topic, we will learn the importance of these layers. So for now, so that is how we create the layers. Okay, so that's all for our lesson 14, all about layers. So thank you for watching.